Hey loves, so today I'm gonna be sharing you guys some of the items I got off Shein. So let's just get into it. I don't want to waste you guys time. Alright, so this is the first item on our list. Alright, so this skirt, trust me, it's really beautiful, especially the color. I read lots of reviews saying that this was thin, and I decided to just take the risk, but it's not thin one bit. Alright, it holds the body together. The material is actually sturdy and it's not transparent at all, and I love this because you can dress it as a formal as well as casual, and it's not transparent. That's a plus side. And another thing I'm gonna say is that it doesn't actually have a zip or anything. It's just elastic, so you have to make sure that you take your size. All right, so I usually wear a medium, but I took a size small because I read in the reviews you could go size down. I wish I just went with a medium because the elastic is actually a bit tight on my waist. So that's that for this. I'm gonna give this 9/10 because the material is sturdy, it's not transparent, the color is beautiful, you can dress up and down with this. So what more could you ask for? So I really love this. So the next item on our list is this jacket. All right, so I actually got this because of the color combination. I really thought it looked really cool. So yeah. All right, so the material is actually on the light side, like let's say maybe medium. All right, because you can get away with wearing this in the summertime. All right, so the material is not so thick, which I love because it's usually hot around here, and it has pockets on this side. All right, so and it fits in a baggy way because I took a size small and it actually still fits quite big, so which was what I was going for. So I think this is really cool. The material is okay. The buttons make little noises anyway, like it makes little sound, but it's can be overlooked because the jacket looks really good. So yeah, I'm gonna give this 9/10 as well because I didn't find anything wrong with this jacket. The material, everything is just okay. So the next item I'm gonna try is this dress, right? So this is available in different colors, many other colors, but I decided to go with this color and I'm glad I did. So this is like a t-shirt dress kind of thing. I like the vibe. All right, so you can dress this like casual way or in a formal way, but the material is what I'm really pleased about. It's not transparent. The material is like t-shirt kind of material. It's very elastic also, like it's what's the word, it's expandable, it's elastic, that's just it. And I took a size small in this, even though I usually wear a size medium because of the reviews. So this is not transparent, but the only downside to this dress is that it's a bit difficult to pass through the neck. Like the neck side is a little bit small, but with how good this dress fits, it's something that can be overlooked. So yeah, that's it for this dress. I really love how it fits, and I'm gonna give this 9/10 as well. If not for the neck thing, I love everything about this dress. It fits good, it's not too clingy at the same time, and the material is good, it's not transparent. So yeah. I also got this really cool necklace. It's really pretty and shiny. Just look at that. All right, it's so pretty. So, and this was, the price was unbelievable, and it's really sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap or look cheap whatsoever. So yeah, that's it for this. And I got this as well. Oh, sorry, this is shiny as well. It says love. This is like shiny as well. All right, but it's not as sturdy as the other one. Like this is a bit flimsy, especially the chain, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna wear out soon. The gold, the color is gonna wear out soon, so I didn't love this so much, but it's okay kind of. So I'm gonna give this 5/10 because I didn't love the quality, but the other one I just showed you guys, the quality is really bomb. And this is my favorite out of all the jewelries I got. This is like a bracelet set. All right, so this is really pretty and shiny and glittery. All right, so this is my favorite one, but it came in a combo. This is my favorite one, and yeah, it fits a little bit big though. If you have a tiny hand, it's gonna be a problem, but this is how it looks like. All right,